We're at Strawberry Reservoir.
This is a 360 video. It means that you can look in any direction by moving your finger on your phone or your mouse or your VR unit, and you will see what I saw in any direction. Usually with any camera you would have to look in the same direction that I'm pointing, but with 360 you can look in any direction. Try it on your phone, your computer, or with your VR and look in any direction to see what I am seeing. You may have to look at this video several times to pick up, because when you're looking in one direction you're missing stuff in another direction. Enjoy.
Stocked by the Department of Natural Resources here. They're not native to it, but yeah, you'll see quite a few boats around here, people fishing. If you're into salmon, this is one of the largest inland water, the landlocked Chinook salmon. You can see there's a bunch of salmon in here. It's very deep. Last thing to share, there's a lot. You can spend a whole day on here. The reservoir, the actual man-made concrete dam is way on that end down there. And on that little brown spot right over there, that's an established marina where these people can launch their boats and come out.
So there are a couple of paths here. I have my 360 camera out so you'll be able to see that. We're going to be careful, but you can see that it has a drop.